Good morning, second graders. This is page 265 that we did yesterday, and I have the PDF on our module that you can pull up, or you can just pause the video and check your paper with mine right now. Hopefully your mom and dad were able to help you with that, and you were able to continue counting on by ones and tens as we get into our bigger numbers. Parents, it would be really good practice for these guys to practice counting to 1,000 every day. Maybe, I don't know, hide and seek or something. You could hide really well by the time you count to 1,000. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go on to the back of this page, which is page 266. Boys and girls, we have practiced reading our numbers before. This time we're going to go up to 1,000, all right? So I want to make sure that you can read the number 100. So I'm going to write it out and code it for you up here at the top of the page. You can also write it out and code it if you want to. Ed, 100. It's a blend there. Okay, so every time you see that word, it means 100, 1,000 down here at the bottom, all right? The other words, if you are not sure what they say, look at the number next to them, okay, 70. So today we're going to practice writing our numbers with words and reading the word and writing the number. So let's look at the first one together. It says 125. So let's look at this first, 100. What would 100 be if we're writing it in standard form? Well, if you need to, you can make your T-bar. Okay, we have 100, 20, that means 2 tens. 5, that means 5 ones. So this is what 125 would look like in standard form. This is what it looks like written. Okay, let's go ahead and skip down and do number 18 together. 703. All right, so 700, that doesn't mean we're going to write 700, okay? It means we're going to write 7 in the hundreds place. All right. Are there any tens here? There are no tens. Okay. There are no words that end in TY. So that means we're going to put a 0 there. And how many ones are there? 3. 703. Sometimes I see you guys write 703. That is not correct. That actually says 7,003, all right? We're not going to write the number 700. We're just going to write a 7 in the hundreds place. 0 tens, 3 ones. Okay, this time you're going to look at the number and you're going to write the name. So let's look at our first one. What is this number? 500. So all you're going to write, you're going to go up here and look at the number 5, okay, so that you know how to spell it correctly. 5. And then remember, we spelled the word 100. I want your number words spelled correctly. I do not want you sounding them out and writing them your own way. It is important that you know how to spell the word 100. And it is important that you know how to spell your number words. If you get stuck on your teens or 20s, look up here and find them. But make sure that you are spelling them correctly. Let's go down to the next one, number 20. We have a 5, and it is in the hundreds place. So it is going to be 5, and we are actually going to write the word 100 because when you say the word, you say 592. And we want to write it exactly how we say it. All right. So 590. So I'm going to go up to my 20s column here. And I'm going to find the number 90. Make sure I spell it correctly. 590. And then 2. Remember, when we're writing the number 2, it's TWO. 592. Okay? You're going to finish 14, 15, 16, 17, 21, 22, 23, and we will check them tomorrow. Have fun. Bye.